You want to know how to stop your concealer from creasing under your eyes? In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your under eyes from creasing when you put on your concealer. So I already have my foundation on, and less is more. When I apply my foundation, I did not go all the way up under the eyes because I don't want to have too much products under my eyes. The concealer that I'll be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in number 18. Less of the product there. I'm going to take it to the desired shape that I want it to be. I want the concealer to dry down a little bit. This needs maybe like 1 second to dry down.
Guess I needed a home, but I found out.
And how you know the concealer is not dry, when you start to blend it out, it will start lifting. I have a damp sponge, and what I do is put it in a napkin, make sure I squeeze out all that water, and then I'm going to go in and blend.
You were good on your own.
And I'm not blending up to the eyes yet, but I'm just going to blend right around these areas to make sure where the concealer and my foundation meet is blend out very well. Now I'm going to squeeze the tip of the sponge, and of course I'm going to go under the eyes. And the model is to, or the right thing to do is to look up to the heavens. So that's what it looks like. That's a well blended concealer under the eyes.
I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awake.
Before you apply any additional products under the eyes, make sure that you blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, and this is a pressed powder. And I'm making sure that there's no creasing under the eye before I apply this. I'm going to go in with a damp sponge, but I'm going to use the one that I use for my foundation on the other side, and I'm going to pick up the product, and I'm going to squeeze it in. Before I do that, I'm going to check to make sure there's no crease. So I'm going to look down, blend out any product that may be just sitting in any crease area there, keep my eyes down, and I'm going to press this in. Get some more product, press. Same thing on the other side. Now you can see that it's set, right? Press and tap. And that's your first initial lock. Do you see that? And that's just locking the concealer from moving. You can go in and do it to the rest of the area if you are doing contouring, which I am. So I'm going to do the same thing on the forehead because I want there to stay also along the nose. Now what you need to do, if you're going to do any bronzing, you can go ahead and do that. All right, now that I have that blend out, I'm going to go in now with the L'OREL Mercier setting powder. I'm going to go in with the damp sponge, and I'm going to pick up the product, and I'm going to tap it on my hands to make sure I got it into the sponge. Then I'm going to set under my eyes also. Now you can skip this process if you want to, but I want my under eyes to last at least 8 hours. I'm going to pick up some more, dab it, and do the same thing. In this method, your concealer is not going anywhere. There will be no creasing, there will be no shifting. It's locked, it's not going anywhere. It will last up to 9 hours and have no creasing under your eyes. Let me come close. You can see there's no creasing, and there'll be none throughout the day. And it doesn't look cakey either, right? All right. Yeah, but that's all you guys need to do is to make sure that you go in with a pressed powder after you apply your concealer. And after that, you go in with your whichever choice of setting powder and set under your eyes. And it's locked. It's not going anywhere. Yeah. That's my method. If you guys want me to do any other video around this makeup tutorial, whatever, just leave a comment below. But that's all that I have, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was very informative for you guys, and you guys will try it and let me know if it worked. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, and I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye, guys.